Hello everyone, I am here to talk about target maturity funds, namely Mirae Asset CRISIL IBX Gilt Index April 2033 Index Fund, Mirae Asset Nifty AAA PSU Bond plus SDL April 2026 50/50 Index Fund, and Mirae Asset Nifty SDL June 2027 Index Fund, which are the three funds offered by Mirae Asset Mutual Fund. A passive target maturity funds read index fund and ETFs aim to replicate the composition of underlying debt index and have specific maturity date. These funds differentiate itself from a regular debt mutual fund by having a fixed maturity date, whereby maturity and duration roll downs over the life of fund and paying off investor upon the maturity of fund. Since target maturity fund is a passive product, investor can assess his or her comfort level with underlying portfolio created based on defined rules. This also leads to it being compared to traditional fixed income instrument such as bank fixed deposit and others. However, they score over your traditional fixed income avenue on two fronts. First, yields in the bond markets are relatively quick to reflect the market condition and compensate investor accordingly, whereas the interest rate on fixed deposit may not increase adequately within stipulated time and investor can get benefit of indexation, thereby lowering his or her tax liability by investing in target maturity funds vis-a-vis traditional fixed income avenue. Similarly, when compared to a fixed maturity plan where target maturity funds score is that the investor has an option to subscribe or redeem anytime during the life cycle of a target maturity fund, which he or she cannot do in case of an fixed maturity plan and even in case of bank fixed deposits. Since target maturity fund is passively managed product, it carries relatively low fund manager risk and relatively low cost. Further, investor has an option to transact anytime during the maturity of the fund. Our first offering in this category is Mirae Asset Nifty AAA PSU Bond plus SDL April 2026 50/50 Index Fund. The scheme invests around 50% in the bonds issued by AAA rated public sector undertaking companies and around 50% in the state development loans. The scheme replicates the underlying index in accordance with the SEBI guideline. As the scheme invests in AAA rated PSU bond and state development loan, it carries relatively a very low credit risk. The product will mature on 29th April 2026. This product is suitable for investor looking to park their money in the short term. Our second offering in this category is Mirae Asset Nifty SDL June 2027 Index Fund. The scheme would invest in state development loans and replicate Nifty SDL June index in accordance with the SEBI guideline. As this scheme invests in the SDL securities, there is no inherent credit risk or the risk of default. The scheme will mature on June 15, 2027. This product is suitable for investor looking to park their money in medium term. Our third offering in this category is Mirae Asset CRISIL IBX Gilt Index April 2033 Index Fund. The scheme would invest in a dated government securities maturing on or before April 29, 2033 and track or replicate the index in accordance with SEBI guidelines. The scheme carries no credit risk as it invests in sovereign securities denominated in local currency, and the scheme will mature on April 29, 2033. This product is suitable for investor looking to park their money in long term. Thank you everyone for watching this video.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.